Hello and welcome to my channel, The Comprehensible Australian. In this video, we're going to learn how to use the verb to be with questions. At the end of the video, we're going to have some exercises to practice the verb to be with questions. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. I. Am I? Am I a man? Yes, you are a man. You. Are you? Are you a student? Yes, I am a student. He. Is he? Is he nice? Yes, he is nice. She. Is she? Is she nice? Yes, she is nice. It. Is it? Is it a dog? Yes, it is a dog. We. Are we? Are we Australian? Yes, we are Australian. They. Are they? Are they kind? Yes, they are kind. Is the dog? Is the dog small? Yes, the dog is small. The dogs. Are the dogs small? Yes, the dogs are small. Here is a summary. Pronoun I. Question. Am I? Am I a teacher? Pronoun you. Question. Are you? Are you kind? Pronoun he, she, it. Is he, she, it? Is he happy? Pronoun we. Are we? Are we English? Pronoun they. Are they? Are they Ukrainian? Okay, are you ready for the exercise? Let's go. Okay. Form the question. I am a doctor. Am I a doctor? Form the question. You are a girl. Are you a girl? Form the question. He is a cook. Well done. Is he a cook? She is a woman. Is she a woman? It is a cat. Is it a cat? We are football players. Are we football players? They are dentists. Are they dentists? The cat is white. Is the cat white? The cats are small. Are the cats small? Thank you.